it is me, Miss Denise, and Ollie the Crow. It is great seeing you guys. I just wanted to pop on and say what an awesome first week we had. I had lots of fun. I hope you guys had a lot of fun too. Learning all about animal homes. Pretty crazy some of those homes that animals live in, isn't it? Your projects were amazing. I know some of them were a little bit harder than normal, but that's because they were such cool projects. I couldn't resist. I loved seeing your all's beavers and their beaver dams, and another favorite was your rabbits and the burrows. Those were really cool. Oh, the birds and the nest. Oh yeah, and the spiders. I saw some gigantic spiders. Crazy colors too in their webs. Wonderful projects. Thank you guys for participating and for posting all of the cool things that you did. Well, we are going to pick our winner for this week's prize. So hang on while Ollie digs in there and picks a winner. And it is Camille Buchanan. Camille Buchanan, congratulations. And you have a little girl, Cora. Cora, you had some awesome projects that you did. Well, congratulations, Cora. This is what you won. Let me get it on my phone. You won this really cool book called Where Do I Live? It's all about animals and their homes. And the cool thing about this book is it comes with stickers, so you can create your own story. And then take the stickers off and put them back on and make up a brand new story. Pretty neat, isn't it? Well, like I said, we had an awesome first week, and I can't wait for this week's lesson on, what are we doing? All about me. We're going to have a lot of fun learning all about me. And I wanted to share a couple projects that we're going to be working on. This is one of them. Oh my, look at that. Those are some leaves. And look, you can tell my leaves have what? Feelings, don't they? We're gonna make feeling leaves. Isn't that silly? That's a lot of fun. That's gonna be a super fun project. Another one is, how about this one? This is all about me, my favorites. It even has my name up there, Miss Denise. And these are some of my favorite things. My favorite things to do, my favorite desserts, maybe my favorite food, I don't know. And then this one is all about my body. So I have me, but I made myself with long orange hair. That's kind of silly. But that's what's fun about doing projects, is you can make them silly and be as creative and have all kinds of fun, because there's no rules, are there? Nope. Anyway, and then we get to label all the parts that we're going to learn about. There's another project too, but we'll wait and share that one with you later on. Okay, well, let's see. So we talked about what's coming up, and we talked about our winner. I think that might be it. Well, thank you guys again for joining us, and thank you for all the wonderful posts, and you have an amazing week learning all about me. Bye-bye.